Greetings! The purpose of this video today is to help illustrate how to use your security lanyard with your new ProEar Stealth Elite. Inside the earbuds over here, as you can see, there's the connecting port for the lanyard, as well as a tiny miniature hole right above it, used for the security lanyard. Your security lanyard is this thin piece of string that also happens to have two different toggles right at the very tip. Might be a little hard to see just because of how small it is, but I assure you that it's just a tiny little clip in there. The purpose of the security goggles is to be able to wear your earbuds without the lanyard, but still know that they will not fall off your neck or fall off when you're in the field. In order to install it, first grab the toggle as well as one of the earbuds. Now, with a simple push motion, you should be able to click it in right away. As you can see, it's fairly stable. The second one should be just as easy. It helps to pinch a little bit on the actual toggle itself and insert. Sometimes it might take a few attempts just to make sure it fits in properly. But that's of course from design to be as difficult to fall off as possible. As you can see, now you happen to have the security lanyard and no risk of losing your pro ears. I hope you find this video to be useful. Thank you.